Hi guys, welcome to my channel Business with Yulianna. Business with Yulianna. By the end of this video, you will learn 15 best side hustles business ideas which can bring the most money to you, and you can do them anywhere, from any place you would like to do it, and you don't need to have special education, special occupation, or some special equipment. So first of all, before we begin, I would like to thank you, all of you that you are here. If you didn't subscribe to my channel yet, please hit the button subscribe and click that small bell so you will not miss any new episodes on my channel. So please join our community. Average millionaire has 7 different streams of income. Average person has only one. One is too close to zero. And it's so dangerous and so insecure to be without money. So please listen those 15 business ideas so you can make additional side hustles, additional money to you and your family. You can make them from anywhere, even from your home, from coffee shop, from any place. If you are at home or traveling, you just need to have your phone or computer and internet, because majority of them are digital. So you are totally not stuck with some location, and you can do it from anywhere in the world. Before we begin, please let me know if you currently have some side hustles, and if you have some, let us know which one and how do you like it. Many people call different things as a side hustles, so I decided to create kind of criterias in which I will count when I choose if it's side hustle or no. And I decided to choose 3 main criteria. This is to make money immediately. I mean, not waiting for 1 or 2 years and you will have side hustles. For example, blogging or YouTube channel, it's a part of side hustle, and it's more as a passive income, but you have a learning curve here. So basically you need to work for some time not making anything at all to be able to see that profit later. So one of the main criteria is to make money immediately. Second one, you have your own schedule, so you are not stuck to some schedules because it's not your part-time job. And third one, you don't need to have any special education or any special experience prior to be able to start doing it. So these are 3 main criteria based on which I decided to choose those 15 side hustles business ideas. Many people call side hustles different things, such as cutting your neighbor's grass, or washing somebody's cars, or walking somebody's dog, or collecting their poops. I will not tell you all of those ideas. I will tell you real, legit side hustles ideas where you can make real money. So let's start. First one, it's teaching English online. So first one, it's Wales English. You can make on that website from 18 to 27 American dollars per 50 minutes teaching English to people in China. Isn't it great? If you think that $27 per 50 minutes it's a lot, just wait for next hustle ideas. But this is one of the websites, and there are also one more similar websites called VIP Kids. It's teaching English kids in China, but you should be qualified there. So first of all, you should have at least 4 years of education in some major in English, and you need to have some teaching experience. But they are quite flexible about teaching experience, so anything like mentorship, coaching, or even YouTube channel, it can be qualified as teaching experience, so basically you can be good with it. Next one is headhunters. It's really interesting. It's basically like online recruiter. Currently, in the time of pandemic, it's really very, very high demand on the healthcare workers, and it's really hard to find them. And research shows that by 2026, healthcare job market will increase up to 18.1%, and they don't have enough people to fill all of those positions, all of those job postings. So there is a website which called reload.com. You can go there, you register yourself, and you become an online recruiter. You can make up to $10,000 per one hire. And on average, people make from $4,000 to $5,000 per month, spending only a couple of hours per week. Isn't it great? Next one is becoming a virtual assistant. Nowadays, virtual assistants are very, very popular, and anyone can be. Actually, this job is the best job for stay-home moms, or for some students, or for some teenagers, or for anyone who has some free time and is really nice in organizing things. So basically, your tasks will be like booking some appointment, researching some information, paying some bills maybe, everything what some secretary would do, but you do it virtually, you do it from home. And salary is quite good here too. If you are a beginner, on average you will receive from 10 to 25 American dollars per hour, but on average in America, people receive around 35 American dollars an hour. But if you are experienced virtual assistant, you can make from 50 to 100 American dollars per hour. It's really great pay. And you are not required to have any additional education or some unique tools. You can search for your clients through Fiverr or through Upworks. Next one is becoming a social media manager. Currently, it's really very trendy position. Many businesses, they really understand that they need to have some social media manager who will take care about their social media channels. Not all of them, they have enough time for it. Not all of them, they know how to do it right. So basically, you can take the tasks on you. You will need to create fresh content for them, to research for some photos maybe, or to take photos yourself, to engage with their audience by asking some questions or posting some stories or anything else. And the salary starts from 50 American dollars an hour. And if you are more experienced, definitely you will charge more. So, and the good thing about it, it's your side hustle, which you can do parallel to your main job. Or if you have more time, you can have a couple of clients in the same time, so you can make more money. Next one is managing ads. Nowadays, as business is growing and developing, everyone wants to have more clients. The best thing to have more clients is to say the word about your product to as many people as possible. You can do it through social media if you have really good amount of followers, or you can do it through ads. Many businesses, they choose to do it through ads, but not so many of them know how to do it right way, that you would have really nice conversion. This means that people clicking through that ad would really buy those products and services. And you can master these skills really easy and relevantly quick. You can manage ads in YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, Google, or anywhere else. Usually the salary here goes in retainer, not in hourly rate. And usually you have a commitment minimum for 3 months, because more work you need to do in the beginning. You need to test different strategy, which works, which not. You need to find out what is the target audience for that service or for that product. So usually it is minimum 3 months commitment for it. We still have much more to go, but before I would like to tell you, please join our community in Instagram too. My profile is ProfiScan, where I share daily motivational quotes, business, marketing tips, and much more. And in stories I share my routine daily life in Canada. I really appreciate it, and I hope to see you there too. And if you didn't subscribe here in YouTube yet, please hit that button, subscribe. Next one is really interesting. It's official wedding ceremonies. On average in America is 2.4 million weddings per year. In Canada is 150,000 weddings per year. Average budget per one wedding in America is 22,000 American dollars. With this profession you can make from 300 to 500 American dollars per one ceremony. It's really amazing. You have fun, you enjoy your time, and you join people together. Thanks to your services, one new family will be born. It's really nice. But you should clarify with your government if you need to require some special license or some special documents to be able to do it. But mostly it's fine, and here in Canada you just can find the right person and sign and make the ceremony. Before this pandemic, it was quite popular to have weddings in Mexico, Dominican Republic, Cuba. So it's even fun to travel for free and make some extra money. Next side hustle is Amazon Flex. It's kind of Uber, but for Amazon. It's really amazing. You can simply go to pick up the stuff and deliver it to people who ordered it through Amazon. The salary is great. You make from 18 to 25 American dollars per hour. All you need is simply to go to flex.amazon.com, register there, and start delivering products to people while on your way to work, on your way back home, or in the weekends, or anytime you have free time, and you make extra income. Next one is really interesting. It's online agent for influencers and bloggers. Currently, in 2021, there are 570 million blogs, 1.8 billion websites. Just in America, there are 32 million blogs, and basically all of them, they want to make money. It would be great if you would be this bridge between those creators and companies who are searching for those influencers to sell their products. There are so many different companies who offer those services. One of those, for example, CJ Affiliates. You can simply sign up with them and choose one niche which you feel comfortable working with. You create a list of those influencers who work in that niche. You create a list of companies which they can advertise and their products, and you make an agreement with them. You join them together and they pay for you from 10 to 20% of commission. Isn't it great? Next one is YouTube Manager. This is really great side hustles. Many YouTube creators, they create content and they need so much time to be able to finalize it or to prepare before they create that content, so you can help them with it. For example, you can research for some trendy topics in their niche about what they would write their next videos. You can prepare for them some script, or you can prepare some materials they should learn more about some topic before they create some video. You can edit their videos. You can find people for whom to outsource, for example, their photo or their editing or some other things if you are not feeling comfortable doing it yourself. So basically you just find the right people to do those tasks for them. Next one is testing websites and apps. You don't need to have any IT education or who knows what. All you need is just to be 18 years old, to know English on that level so you will be able to explain your thoughts, to have your computer and internet and your phone and tablets, it would be as an asset. And you need to download special software on your computer and simply test those websites and apps as a regular user. Then you say your honest opinion, how easy it was to use that app or that website. That's it. There are a couple of websites which offer those services. I would suggest for you usertesting.com and whatsusersdo.com. They pay more or less the same money. It's around 10 American dollars per 20 minutes, or on average you can receive from 15 to 20 American dollars per hour, because you need to have some time to record that audio, upload it, and they pay it through PayPal 7 days after completion, so it's pretty easy and not so bad money as a side hustle. Next one is coaching. Many people, they make really great source of income from coaching, and many of them, they replace their daily job. Actually, they make really good amount of money, and all you need is simply create a website to clarify there which services you are ready to offer, and share that information on your social media, run some ads if you need. And to help you with it, in the link below you can find really great discounts to be able to start your own website. Next one is blog post writing. You can write some article. You can make from 30 to 60 American dollars an hour. If you are some professional in some niche, you can make even up to 120 American dollars per hour writing some articles. And many business owners, they have their websites where they have their blogs, and they need to have some fresh articles regularly to be able to keep their readers more up to date and to be able to increase their search engine optimization for their website. Next one is voice actor. It's really great source of side hustles. You don't need anything unique or special. If you have some unique voice, or even just if you like talking a lot, it would be really nice to use it and to make money. You can voice over some audiobook, some video, some tutorial, some ads, or anything else that your client would need. And some people make really great money on it. For example, this person makes 32 Canadian dollars per 100 words, which usually takes around 1 minute to record. And this person makes almost 200 Canadian dollars just for 60 seconds, 1 minute. And if you see, it's even no editing, it's just raw recording. Next one is SEO expert. I have a web design company, and very often my clients, they come to me and they say we would like some really good specialist who really knows how to bring our website a bit higher in Google. And to be honest with you, it's not so easy to find a good specialist. To be able to start, it's enough for you to go to YouTube University, sit there for one day, try to research some information, try to learn something, and you can start giving these services to people. It's really amazing. I would like to say for you approximately prices for those services. Here in Canada, minimum price starts from 500 Canadian dollars per month, and some people charges $900, $2,000 per month per one client. But you can have a couple of clients in the same time. So it can be really not just a side hustle, it can be even your full-time job, which can bring really great money for you. Next one is retail arbitrage. This is when you can buy product in one place cheaper and sell it more expensively somewhere else. What people do usually? They search for some clearance, and when they find some item on clearance, they buy it and then they resell it on Facebook Marketplace a bit slightly cheaper than its original price. And they make this money. It takes some time to find those deals, it takes some time to sell it later, but it's really great way to make extra money. There can be different way to do the same thing. Some people, they buy things from AliExpress and they sell it on Etsy. Some of them, they order it from AliExpress, they deliver it to their own home, because you know delivery from AliExpress takes really time, and then they deliver it to their customers, which they get from Etsy store. But some people, they just simply directly give the address of their customer, which they got from Etsy, to AliExpress, and AliExpress directly delivers it to customer. But in that case, delivery takes much longer, and it might be a bit frustrating because client might write really not so good review about your delivery. Watch my passive income ideas video, combine it with these ideas, and you can make really great income for your future, for passive and active income. If you like this video, please share it with your friend who is searching right now for some side hustle. If you didn't subscribe yet, please press the button subscribe and click that small bell so you will not miss any new video on my channel. And please join our community on Instagram too. My profile is ProfiScan. There I share daily motivational quotes, business and marketing tips, and all necessary tips to grow a successful business. See you soon. Bye bye.